little video today. I'm Josh.
I'm Michelle.
And we are Adventures Ahead. And we have a quick little video for you today.
We got shirts and we finally
Hey,
got
we're
them
going to
in.
turn our lighting system on.
Oh, it looks okay though.
Yeah, let me just see.
Ooh.
Hey guys, we're real
I feel
professional.
vinyl.
We're so professional. Oh, sorry. What's this? Now, what shirts are these, Michelle?
These are the shirts we just made.
Woo! Our new shirts. What does it say?
Living my best hashtag whatever's life.
Yeah, living
Yeah.
my best hashtag. Let's see the back. Over here.
Weird.
Adventures ahead. What? Living my. What's wrong?
Oh, nothing. I thought I saw something.
Living my best hashtag whatevs life. I like that.
Yes.
Let's see what
We
one.
finally got our own shirts. Other people got them before we did.
Yeah. So we just want to do a quick video, show you what they look like. So the thing on the back is kind of like, warning, Adventures Ahead fan here, I'm nuts. Like, I'm going to be drinking. I'm probably going to be just doing a lot of stuff. That's what that means if you wear an
I
Adventures
love
Ahead
that
shirt. And let's see what Daddy got here.
Hey, Daddy.
Just teasing, guys. Boom!
Stress less, cruise more, bees.
Stress less, cruise more. And then here's a symbol on the back. It's a little small, Michelle. I will say that.
Oh.
A little small. And it seems to be centered all right.
It is centered.
Is it?
It is too centered, you bee.
Look at Look. No, but no, I'm just kidding. It looks good. That looks good. It seriously does look good, right, Michelle?
Yeah, I like them.
Yeah, it's really good. Stress less, cruise more. So we'll be sporting these. Duh.
If we're not dead.
Yeah. What? Oh God. It seems like the last couple weeks we've done lives or whatever, and then
People are just worried about us.
people are worried that we're like either have a something deficiency or like
One
you're
foot
gonna
in
have
the
a heart
grave.
attack.
Well,
Yeah.
that's okay, though. Maybe they're just worried.
Yeah, it's fine.
We appreciate
We
the
appreciate
concern.
it, but yeah, this is a shirt unboxing, so it was just
I
a
don't know
fun
why
thing.
we talked about that.
So what do you guys think of our new shirts? Also, we have a new shirt that I want Michelle to order me because I want it for the Valor. And it says, cruise, drink, gamble, repeat. I want that.
I'm
It's
still
really
in the
cool.
works of making a non-group cruise shirt.
So go check out our Teespring store if you can. It's got a lot of shirts and we're going to have more.
Yeah.
We're like in a shirt
Frenzy.
frenzy. Okay, guys.
Bye.
Talk later.